This is our topic for today. Our class today is for Precalculus. Precalculus, we have one problem here. Graph the function f of x equals 6x squared. We have to do the graph and then also find the vertex of this graph. For example, a parabola is a graph of a quadratic polynomial. The vertex form of the parabola that opens up or down is this way. It's like this: y equals 8 minus h to the second power plus k. All right. The vertex is the vertex is hk. All right. If a is greater than 0, the parabola opens up. Here is open up. Okay. If a is less than 0, then the parabola opens down. So here is opens down. All right. Then after review this concept, we are able to graph this graph. All right. We have this problem here. Then we have to solve the graph, the parabola. Solve the graph of the parabola. First, we have to find the vertex. Okay, we have to find the vertex. And then I want to write the problem again. So we have fx here equals 6x squared. Right? Then you solve this problem. Next step, we are going to have here, we're going to have 6 taking this formula. 6 is going to be 10 times x here minus 0, right? Because k in this case is 0, so hk, okay, to the second power plus 0. See? So then the vertex here is equals, what is the vertex then? Because we have to find the vertex first. So the vertex is 0, 0. So that's the vertex or our parabola. Now look for another point on the parabola. We integrate or have integers coordinated. For example, one such point is here. Point is, we have the vertex. This is the vertex, and the point is one point is will be 1/2 and then 3/2. Yeah, x 1/2 and then y 3/2. Okay, so plugging in these points in the graph. Let's see the graph right here. So it's very simple. Just take a look how make our graph, or how make this graph here, right? We have like this. This is x-axis. I mean x is x. This is y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. So one. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. So this is negative points like this, because we don't know negative numbers. We don't need it. We don't need. Well, actually, we don't need negative numbers here. So the vertex, our graph is 0 right here. See, this is the vertex, and then we have to plug it in 1/2 in x. So in x is right here is positive 1/2 right here. Yeah, we're right here, and then in y 3 halves is 1, 2, 3 halves. So like this. So we have 1 point here. Ready, right? Of course, this is the right, the positive size. The negative size, of course, we are gonna have another point right here, right? And then that's it. It's enough for build the graph. Actually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. Our graph touch another point right here. So like this. If you are working in a square paper or on your computer, your graph is gonna look like this, right? So this parabola and this problem, it's very simple. Just our class, I want to show you how graph the parabola. I mean, the graph the quadratic function. This is a quadratic, always is a parabola. Okay. When you graph a quadratic function, you get the parabola, right? It's very important. See these points, this and this one, two data. Let's put 0, 0, and then this is 3 half right there. Let's write those points. Here is 0, 0, 0, 0, and then here is 3 half. 3 half, this point right there. So that's it, my friend. Very simple. Just I'm trying to show this concept, graph quadratic function for precalculus. Right now this unit is about function, and very important. Remember this formula. When the vertex, the vertex form of the parabola this is the formula. This is the vertex form, and then also the parabola, I told you, opens up or opens down. This case is open ups, right? Because the vertex is h and k, right? When it's 8, let me write right here. This is very important. When a is greater than 0, then the parabola opens up. It opens, it's up, right? Very important. So you want to write those clues. And then this is a. When a is less than 0, then the graph is down, right? So in this case, 8 is greater than 0. That's why the graph open up, right? When a is less than 0, I mean the graph opens down. Okay, that's very simple. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.